Benefits of Nol cards with Dubai's public convenience in mind. RTA is introducing the Nol card as the way to travel around Dubai. Cash will not be accepted for payment to use metro, buses, and water buses. The regular card can be used in all mentioned transportation and non-transportation services. Unit price ED25 including balance ED19. Maximum balance amount anonymous 1000 AED registered 5000 AED. Validity 5 years. Nol card. Recover your balance if your card gets lost or stolen. Required for concession fare secure online services for top-up credit. Unit price ED70 credit AED20. Maximum balance amount AED 5000. Validity 5 years. Gold card. Can be used in all mentioned transportation and non-transportation services. Privilege to access the metro and tram gold class cabin with double the regular fare. Unit price ED25 including balance AED19. Maximum balance amount anonymous 1000 AED registered 5000 AED. Validity 5 years. Red ticket. Paper disposable ticket only one mode of transport at a time. Unit price ED2. Maximum balance amount. Rechargeable use from maximum of 10 journeys or 5 daily passes. Validity 90 days or 10 trips. People of determination resident and tourist. Both signs copy of the Emirates ID. Personal photograph with a white background. Both signs copy of the people of determination. Card or Sanad card resident. Tourist pod card or any document issued by the competent authorities in the country to which he belongs, proving that he is a person of determination. Senior Emeritus and Senior Expat Senior Citizen. Both signs copy of the valid Emirates ID. Keep in mind that there might have been updates or changes to the Nol card offering since then, so I recommend checking with official sources for the most up-to-date information.